So you've got a great idea for a skill, something that's going to be really unique and customers are just going to love. But where do you start? Well, Alexa offers a few different kinds of skills that can help you get started and help meet your needs. The first one is a smart home skill. A smart home skill is where you can control lights, thermostats, power outlets, all sorts of devices in your home. There are video skills, there's flash briefing skills, and there's custom skills. Custom skills are where most skills will fall, and it gives you a lot of variety about what you might want to be able to do with your experience. For example, you can create games like Yes Sire or Skyrim. You can create interactive fictions, more like a Jurassic World or a Magic Door. And you can create utility skills, ones that help you plan a trip or help you know if you fed the dog and these kinds of things. So, for example, let's say you're a content producer and you've got a podcast or a blog, and you really want to expand your reach out to Alexa. Well, you'd probably want to build a flash briefing skill. This is where you enter a link to your podcast and people can now enjoy you on Alexa. On the other hand, if you're building a skill that finds pets for people, maybe it's help you adopt pets, well, then you'd build a custom skill. So once you've picked the kind of skill that you want to use, you can go through and design an experience just for that, build out your experience and publish it to the world. So let's get started. I can't wait to see what you build.